If I asked you to make these two Lego towers equal, what would you do? Most of you said add a block to the shorter one. But why didn't you think about removing a block from the taller one instead? A researcher in Virginia ran experiments on this. He found something fascinating. When we face a problem, our first instinct is almost always to look for solutions by adding. We rarely think to subtract. That's why when life feels scattered, we add. More routines, more healing, more credentials, more productivity. We think the answer is always more, but what if it isn't? What if finding your rhythm isn't about adding anything? What if it begins with removing? Removing expectations, removing noise, removing the pressure you put on yourself. Remove the habits that drain you. Remove the people who don't fit who you're becoming. And remove the old versions of yourself that you've outgrown. Those pieces are just weighing you down. So day one of finding your rhythm isn't a new habit. It's not a fancy app or a morning routine, it's one honest question. Just one. Write it down. What do you need to remove to be who you want to be and to be where you want to be? You can't carry everything forward. The secret isn't adding weight to the other side, it's taking weight off. For the next 30 days, I'll share one insight a day for anyone stuck in a transition. If you want to get back to your rhythm, your alignment, stop adding. Start removing. That's where the real change lives.